In a hilarious and unexpected turn of events, Colorado Republican Representative Lauren Boebert has filed for divorce from her husband of nearly 2 decades, leading to a comical encounter when the process server arrived with the divorce papers. While Jayson Boebert was enjoying a beer and cleaning a gun, he became outrageously angry, spewing profanities, and even threatened to call the sheriff's office, all while the server attempted to complete their task. Undeterred, the server left the documents on a chair outside the door, but Jayson promptly closed the door and let the dogs out. Amidst the chaos, Jayson professed his love for his soon-to-be ex-wife, expressing his support for her happiness, while Lauren cited irreconcilable differences as the cause. This amusing yet challenging situation adds an unexpected twist to the life of the colorful Colorado Republican.